Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets.
Ooh, Shonda's Edible Delights, working hard like usual. Pouring out my pineapples for my pineapple delights. Call me 678-949-8039. Hit me up on all social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I'm right there. You can find me.
Marketing here. Marketing here. She took that pineapple upstairs so everybody can see the pineapples. I like that. Ain't nothing like marketing. Okay, here. That's that cup. And lid. Just lay it over it. Lay it up. We ain't gonna lose all this, right? You prefer this first?
Yeah. Oh, these pineapples smell so sweet.
They
and
look
juicy.
way better than the ones I bought Saturday. Probably the other ones will be right for you.
Yes.
Shakers. No, that's in Miami. Huh? It's something like Shakers. They got group of dinners.
Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we have it all. Yeah, Shonda's Edible Delights. Shonda's Edible Delights.
It tastes just like
Shonda's Edible Delights. 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 Shonda's Edible Delights. Shonda's Edible Delights. Shonda's Edible Delights. Delights. Delights.
Thank you.